is potential food cost. Potential food cost is a cost as it should be. However, in the kitchen, there may be many variation from accepted standards and hence the actual food cost may vary. In this video from clarifiedbetter.com, let's look at what are the uses of potential cost in your kitchen. The potential cost is a cost as described by the mathematical formula. So it will be very accurate. To calculate potential food cost, write the standard recipe, do the yield test, use the costing as yielded and arrive at the food cost. If you don't know how to calculate yielded cost, it is available in another lesson on the site. No other factor like spoilage or wastage is considered for calculating potential cost. At the end of the month, you check the actual food cost, determine the variance between the actual and potential food cost and find out the reasons. In order to do this comparison, download the template from the link below. If you are watching this on YouTube, this template is available on www.clarifiedbetter.com in the free course for supervisors. Please do consider subscribing to the free courses on the website to access the entire library of free courses and many more templates for free. After you download the template, you may need some data from your point of sale. Input that into the sheet and arrive at the potential cost of the kitchen. Once you have done that, you can analyze your operation and find out where you need to plug holes to minimize the differences between actual and potential food cost. I hope you found this lesson useful and you will be able to control your food cost in the kitchen, thereby increasing your profitability. Please do help us by sharing clarifiedbetter.com to your friends and colleagues. This site is a free resource to help people in the hotel industry, so please do share this if you found it valuable.